We got a 2016 Ram 1500 HEMI. 5.7 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it crosses into a single, and then it goes 3-inch, and we continue that 3-inch into a 3-inch in, 3-inch out MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, and a 2.5-inch to 2 1/4 Y pipe, single setup, something different for you guys. Into 2 1/4 tailpipes. Then they got a resonator on them there and there. Then 4-inch tips right there and right there. And this is the muffler we took off right there. It's a single end dual out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think you'll really like the sound of it. It's going to sound really nice, really smooth. Go ahead. Perfect. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 107. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds really nice. Those Hemis never disappoint. Sorry about that, guys. It's raining, so sound is not going to be that clear. Hasn't rained in 2 weeks here, so we're surprised. So if you guys want the muffler, the MAGNAPACK, or the Y pipe, you'll see the link in the description. And hit that like and subscribe, please. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Ram. He says he's gonna burn some wheels. Let's see. Do it going forward. That sounds really good. Yeah, that truck is good.